This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Larry Townsend. Very cute 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. 1-owner home. Great starter home plus pride of ownership shows. Replacement windows, newer refrigerator plus new hot water heater. Nice and cozy living room. Huge open country kitchen west/great counter plus cabinet space. It has space for dining room area plus a small kitchen table. Nice utility room. 3 bedrooms on 2nd floor. Primary bedroom has a walk-in closet. All trim wrapped for no maintenance, a full front porch and large fenced backyard. Quick access to 664 plus I-64. Cute as a button. For more information, review the details below.